I'm Eric Cephas over here at Courtesy Chevrolet. I'm with the 2011 2500 HD diesel. This 2011 2500 HD diesel has 397 horsepower and 765 foot-pounds of torque. It has the new DEF fluid, which is diesel exhaust fluid. It is a law as of 2012, all the trucks will have it. We've jumped the gun, we got it on our 2011. This truck is 63% cleaner for the environment than our past 2010 model. Are some things that are different inside. For one, you have OnStar, which is no other company has anything like OnStar. It's phenomenal. Your backup camera, which this vehicle has, is going to appear in the left part of your mirror. It also has available Wi-Fi. It has available Bluetooth. Very much for taking a look at this 2011 2500 HD diesel, the new diesel that came out. I really appreciate it. I've only provided you a little bit of information. There's tons more information available at courtesychev.com, or you can give us a phone call at 1-888-267-5511. Thank you.